Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I've done that wonderful thing where I've got the sun behind me. I'll just turn around. Welcome to another exciting installment of Carl's Inflatable Kayaking Kitchen. So today, the dry bag of choice for carrying all this gear is here. And if you've noticed, I'm in a bigger boat. This is the Aqua Marina Halve. And I picked this one because of the deck space in it. And I wanted to try it out because for the future videos of this series, I'm going to be using a bigger power bank. Not today, but I'm going to need something with a bigger deck space. So this has definitely got it. So what have we got today? We've got stuff in a cool bag. Definitely going to need the heat protector for this one. Yeah, heat protector. Why is that, I hear you ask? Oh, I'm just drifting into boats here. Right, got a little electric cooker with me today. And of course, the power station. Some like it hot and some sweat when the heat is on. And for some of you who are old enough, you might get that power station reference. Others will wonder what the hell I'm on about. Right, let's get set up. Quick shufty in the cool bag. I'll show you what we've got going on. Bread cake, egg, cheese spread, bacon. And combined with this, if you've seen the recent camping videos and shorts videos I've done with this, McMuffin. But, you know, a kick muffin. A cat muffin. That doesn't sound right, does it? Right, let's plug that in. Turn the electric on. I have fully charged this. Now this does use a lot more power than the kettle in the first video, but we should have enough to make a sandwich. So let's power it up. So yeah, definitely need the heat protector for this one. That's drawing 570 watts from there. So stage one is to take our bread cake, cut this up into a half. Oh, we need to, almost forgot one of the key bits here. Bit of cheese spread. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, let's get that in there. Right, then we need to get the bacon in. Now I have pre-cooked this because you're supposed to use pre-cooked meats in here. So a bit of pre-cooked bacon in there. Bring that one down and make sure that that's right the way across. Let's mix the egg up. And what we're going to do is tip the egg into here. And then we're going to shut that and let it cook for a bit. Going to leave that for a few minutes. And while that's going on, I'm just going to cheese this up. If you've never tried this, seriously, cheese spread, it's worth it. It's good, really good. Might as well paddle a bit further while this cooks. So we're a little bit further up now, and this is the time. Look at that, the egg is getting there. Let's get this bread bun on top and get this finished off. Drop that in. What you don't do is you don't push that down just in case the egg expands. Yeah, doing all right. We're doing all right. We're down to about 70% on there, so it's doing good. 30% used already. How many nutters do you know that would cook a bacon and egg sandwich in an inflatable kayak? One.
Carry it middle.
Yeah.
And some more earrings. I ain't been in it since I've had it.
Because you get new toys, don't you? Yeah, we're just having a little bit of a paddle up river. The wind's actually a little bit behind us. You can probably tell that by the ripples on the water, and it's just drifting us up a little bit. This is doing nicely. Look at that. Supposed to cook it for about 5 minutes. I don't think we're far off there, to be fair. Got vultures on left. Vultures on left. Nigel and I have just been out on the water today having a bit of a fanny about, testing paddles out and stuff like that, different paddles. You might have seen the previous videos.
I'm glad we're sharing this sandwich, Carl. I'm really pleased about that.
Did you catch that? He says, I'm glad we're sharing this sandwich. Poor boy's deluded. Utterly deluded, I tell you. I was going to turn you off there, but I think, yeah, that's about there. So what we do next, just make sure that you can see this properly. Actually, let's just move you around here. It'll be easier. Then I know that you can see it properly. There we go, look at that. So we've had a little bit of seepage on here. That's the first time this has happened, but I'm not overly concerned. So we slide the egg plate round so that this bit then drops onto the bacon bit. Then we lift that bit up. Then we lift that bit up. Oh, look at that. That egg, oh, dried egg bits as well, crispy bits. Nice. So we'll turn the electric off. That's done. Oh, I'm going to eat these now. I've got to say, quite chuffed with this one. Bacon and egg muffin, breakfast muffin, cooked on the water in an inflatable kayak. This is the Aqua Marina Halve. I don't know whether I've mentioned that. Hot. Anyway, you know what to do. If you like the daft stuff I do on this channel, in terms of liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Oh, before I go, is there anything you want to see me have a go at? Don't do anything too ridiculous. But it's all ridiculous, isn't it? Let me know in the comments. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. I think somebody wants a bit, don't you? Yummy. You're not having any though. You're not having any. Not a chance. Ooh. I'm getting bullied. Bullied for bacon.